In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to Canva seamlessly. This process is crucial for making sure your branding efforts are consistent and professional, which is why we'll go through each step carefully to ensure everything is set up perfectly. First things first, let's dive into checking your domain's DNS settings. This is a foundational step, vital for ensuring future processes run smoothly. Head over to your domain registrar. This is the service where you purchased your domain. Think GoDaddy, Namecheap, or similar. Once you're logged into your account, look for the section labeled DNS Management or DNS Settings. This is where the magic happens. The DNS records tell the internet how to find your domain, so ensuring they are correct is paramount. Now let's review the DNS records. Specifically, we're interested in the records related to your web hosting and email services if you use them. Double check the A records, CNAME, and MX records to verify that they align with your hosting provider's requirements. If you're not sure what these should look like, reach out to your provider for the necessary values. Ensuring these records are accurate is a critical step, as any misconfigurations could lead to your site being unreachable or, even worse, email disruptions. Once you're confident your DNS settings are correct, it's time to sync your domain with Canva. Log into your Canva account and head over to the Settings or Account Settings page. In the Branding or Domain section, you should see an option to connect a domain. Enter your domain details here and follow any prompts that Canva provides. This usually involves verifying that you have control over the domain, which might require adding a specific record in your DNS settings. Don't worry if you're asked to add a TXT or CNAME record. Refer back to your domain registrar and insert the information provided by Canva. This sync process can take a bit of time, so once you've input all the necessary details and followed Canva's instructions, the next step is simply to wait. DNS changes might not take effect instantaneously. Propagation, the time it takes for changes to update across the internet, can vary. It could be as quick as a few minutes to as long as 48 hours in some cases. During this period, it's completely normal to experience some inconsistencies or find that the connection hasn't been established just yet. Patience is essential here, and that's it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully connected your domain to Canva, integrating your brand's look across all your online profiles effortlessly. Remember, the key is to double check your DNS settings and patiently wait for the changes to propagate. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Happy